Replacing PVC pipe with a correct kitchen sink drain pipe stainless steel.
Removing pre-joing pipe epoxy slowly, careful by chipping. Installing new drain and strainer.
Drain pipe anti-odor seal plugging cover. Large diameter design, can discharge large flow of water, not easy to accumulate water. Using flange seal, easy to install, no need for epoxy. Easy to service whenever needed.
New piping provides better access to the grease trap. The supply pipe to grease trap is now detachable and discharge of grease trap going to the wall drain.